I've often thought about that miracle of the thief on the cross. That God placed him there to demonstrate that the most unworthy and unprepared soul could be saved at the last moment before death. That astounded me when I came to terms with that. Of how God, being so incredible in his mysterious way of doing things, made it clear by the placing of the thief, that even in as desperate a situation as this, salvation could still be possible to anyone who received it by their belief in Jesus alone, and that nothing else was needed. Isn't that incredible? Praise God.